Now that we have our motors mounted on their mount plates, we're going to put them in the arms. What we're going to do first is we're going to take one of the leg plates and we're going to push the nylon standoffs through. Now I like taking the inside plate and pushing the bolted side through so the nuts are here, and when we put the top plate on, the outside, the visible part will be the smooth part, not the nut. So put these all in, all the way up and down the leg. There should be 6 of them per leg. And screw the nuts on the backside. Now if you like, I've seen people actually with these nylon bolts do several things to make sure that the nuts don't come off. I've seen people actually melt them a little bit with a lighter so it melts the nut onto the bolt. I've seen people use Loctite, and I've seen people just make sure they're tight before you fly it. That would be my suggestion, so you can take them off easier and replace them if they break. There's also enough room to double nut them if you want to, if you have more of these nylon nuts laying around. And if you double nut them, put 2 nuts, one on top of the other. They'll hold each other together. Now that we have one arm with the 6 in there, let's get 6 of our screws to hold the other arm on. We want to mount the center plate in the arm. We've already test fitted that, so that works. We want to mount the motors in the arms. Make sure that the wires are pointing inwards. Then we can put the outside, the outside arm on. And we can put the screws in place. And there's a completed arm assembly. Everything should be nice and tight. The motors should be tight. Check the nuts. And there you go. Now repeat this with the other parts.